Hey guys, welcome back to the Studley vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the Studley vlog. Today we are shooting with the Hasselblad. Hey guys, so today we are shooting with Ektar 100 on my Hasselblad 500 cm with a planar 80mm 2.8 Carl Zeiss lens. Now, Ektar is a very interesting film. It can either be super contrasty or a little bit flat, depending on the light that you shoot it in. I like to shoot Ektar at 100. I know some people like to shoot it at 50 or 25 just to get the extra light in. So due to the coronavirus, a lot of the trails had been closed. So my sister and I went to the local trails by my house. So this is the same area where I shot the lomochrome film video, and you can see that it's grown a ton. I actually, 2 days before shooting this, I had been walking through this river and it was completely empty. And I came back a couple of days later and it was just full of water. It's nuts. The greenery had gotten so crazy that you could barely even walk through the trails. I've shot Ektar in the past a lot because it's a really sharp film and it has really good vibrance of colors. It looks really good in straight sunlight, but when it comes to shadow detail, it tends to lack a little bit. As you can see in the trunk right here, the blacks of the image are not pure black, and that is due to being slightly underexposed. So I mentioned it in my last video, but I just love the Hasselblad. It is such a small, compact camera that just packs a punch for being a medium format camera. I've used a bunch of different medium format cameras in the past, and this one just is so small and compact, and the lenses are just so sharp, and the images just look amazing every time I use it. So the light started to fade because the sun was going down, so I switched over from Ektar 100 to HP5, which I metered and developed at 800 ISO. One thing that I love about HP5 is that in certain conditions it can be super contrasty, but when you're in the shade or under a bunch of trees, it just has so much tonality throughout the whole negative. So this is the Hasselblad. It shoots square images that are 6x6, and it is just an incredible piece of machinery. It is the most versatile medium format camera on the market. So I switched over to my Leica and shot some HP5 on that. I'm planning on making a review about the Leica M6 pretty soon, so keep an eye out. So I got Ella her own 35mm camera for her birthday a few years back, and she loves it. Thanks for coming along on this hike. Keep an eye out for new videos.